Hey there, parents! Are you ready to create some birthday magic for your little ones? Today, I'm here to show you that decorating a birthday cake at home can be easy, fun, and full of love. Guess what? It doesn't have to look like it came from a bakery to be absolutely perfect. You don't need fancy tools or years of experience. All you need is what you have at home, a little creativity, and a lot of heart. A butter knife becomes your spatula, a Ziploc bag doubles as a piping bag, and those sprinkles in your pantry, they're your secret weapon. First, you'll start off with a crumb coat. This doesn't require your frosting to be colored. It can just be white after you've made it or pulled it out of the tub. This will seal in the crumbs from the cake and it will keep the outside of your cake looking beautiful. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's about bringing your child's vision to life. Maybe they want a jungle theme, a princess castle, or their favorite cartoon character. Whatever it is, your effort will mean the world to them. You can use, if you have it, an offset spatula or the back side of a butter knife to smooth out your frosting on your cake to give it those nice clean lines if that's what you're looking for. If you don't have piping tips, you can just snip the corner of a plastic bag and that will work perfectly as a piping bag. I use this in a pinch all the time. And sprinkles, like I said before, those are your secret weapon. They come in all shapes and sizes, different mixes. Just go to your local craft store and see what they have. They might have exactly what you need for your cake. Let go of the pressure to make it look like a professional cake. The charm of homemade cake is that it's unique, just like your child. Those wobbly lines and uneven sprinkles, that's the magic they'll remember. So grab a mixing bowl, roll up your sleeves, and have some fun. Together we're making more than just cake. We're making memories. Your child won't see the flaws. They'll see the time and the love you put into making something just for them. And that makes it truly special. It's not about perfection, it's about connection. If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more ways to make everyday moments unforgettable.